Section 5 Important qualities to look for in a mentor. While many individuals in your sector may be eager to assist you with your professional development, it's important to carefully select your mentor. Active listening skills, honesty, and the capacity to provide constructive feedback are all valuable attributes to look for. Choosing a mentor who possesses these crucial characteristics allows you to create an effective network and acquire abilities that will boost your career. In this post, we will outline 10 crucial attributes to seek for in a mentor and provide techniques for identifying these characteristics in possible candidates. Now we will understand the top 10 important qualities in mentor. Number 1. Investment in education and growth. Mentors usually feel that professional achievement goes beyond what they can achieve in their own professions. A desire to contribute to their field in other ways leads them to educate colleagues. These seasoned individuals recognize the value of sharing their expertise. They understand that training you in how to be a productive member of your sector will allow them to alter the industry and ensure its continued success. When looking for a mentor, make sure they are willing to focus on training ments while still achieving their own professional goals. Number 2. Willingness to connect and network. Mentors typically thrive on interacting with colleagues. They recognize that these professional relationships are critical for building a complete network of specialists in every field. When looking for a mentor, consider teaming with someone who can educate network. They can also give you with useful information to help you connect with industry professionals. For example, they may invite you to a convention in your field where you may promote your services. Number 3. Availability to devote time. Good mentors understand that helping another person in their area might entail a significant time investment. They understand how important it is to invest enough time in mentorship before establishing this sort of relationship. Before agreeing to accept someone as a mentor, talk about your schedules and make sure you can meet with them on a frequent basis. Number 4. Active listening skills. Mentors frequently share information and provide assistance through in-person interactions or emails. Supportive mentors also pay close attention to their ment's needs. They can utilize their active listening abilities to guarantee they grasp what you're saying if they devote equal time to listening and talking. If alternative modes of contact work best for your schedule, you may select a mentor who interacts effectively via instant messaging services, social platforms, or video conferencing. Number 5. Constructive feedback. Mentors frequently use constructive comments to reinforce your accomplishments while helping you grow in other areas. Look for a mentor who can seriously reflect on your objectives and successes and provide constructive recommendations to help drive your professional development approach. If you look for a mentor who is tolerant and receptive of other points of view, you'll be more likely to work with an advisor who knows your specific requirements. Number 6. Honesty. Great mentors are honest people that urge ments to pursue honesty in their respective sectors. They can exchange realistic but fair techniques for progressing in the area. They may also keep up with the most recent ethical practices in order to appropriately teach ments on industry rules, trends, new best practices, and ideas. Number 7. Positive outlook. Good mentors prioritize their goals and create action plans to better themselves. When working with a mentor, attempt to develop goals together, such as improving critical skills or establishing a professional path. After you've identified your goals, you may utilize them to create an action plan to advance your professional growth. Number 8. Motivational skills. Mentors understand how to inspire their colleagues to attain their goals. They may tailor their counsel to a person's values to maximize the likelihood of the client achieving their goals. Mentors may inspire an individual to continue their academic aspirations and learn more about their field by assisting them in obtaining more training or education. Mentors also utilize their motivating talents to assist people maintain a good attitude in the face of personal and professional setbacks. Number 9. Industry knowledge. In many cases, good mentors have built careers in the same or similar industry as their ments. Since you have a common field, their skills, experience, and connections add much more value to your professional development. An ideal mentor can apply their advanced knowledge to help you learn more about your industry. Number 10. Adaptability. Look for a mentor who exhibits versatility by examining problems and devising novel solutions. By selecting a mentor with these characteristics, you can learn how to overcome professional challenges in the future. Tips for recognizing good mentor qualities. Here are some tips for recognizing the qualities of a good mentor. Number 1. Observe. Mentors are often people you already have relationships with, whether they're colleagues or supervisors. Consider observing them in the workplace to understand how they teach others and what their work ethic is like. Number 2. Ask questions. While observation can yield more authentic findings, you may also ask your possible mentor questions to get more information. Ask them how they can assist you reach your professional objectives and what they do to keep current on industry developments. Number 3. Obtain recommendations. Consider asking colleagues in your sector for mentor referrals. They might be able to recommend colleagues or supervisors whose teaching methods are compatible with your professional aspirations. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.